Hey mate, Rob here again. Got a vending machine unit, and I didn't know anything about it. But with the vending machine units, it's difficult because the power comes in from here, from the machine. So obviously in your workshop situation, you haven't got the machine here. So what I've done, hooked up a cord and spliced into the power for the condenser fan motor. I've put I've put an earth on the bottom, and it's nice and safe, but just to check it. So I've got my my amp meter here. It's going to start in a second, and we'll see what's going on. I've already checked it with the Mega, and it's not down to earth. Insulation is all right. Let's see what happens. Oh, 22 amps. Okay. So either the compressor it's going to go out on, yeah, it's just tripped the breaker. So obviously the either the compressor's buggered or the compressor electrics are buggered. Okay, let's have a look. So I've taken the electrics off. All I've got is the pins left. Now you could put your meter in here and try and check it like this. It's friggin' awkward. I've got a better way. So I've made up a compressor checking kit. So see, like this just plugs in into the compressor, and then it has a little connector on the end which plugs into an extension cord. Let me hook it up and I'll show you what I got. So now I've got my little test lead on the compressor, plugged in, connected to an extension cord, connected to my meter reading cord. So I can check. So white to blue is start to run, and I've written them up here. Between start and run is 1.6, between start and common is 4.1, and between common and run is 3.4. So unfortunately, so what's supposed to happen, common to start, common to run equals start to run. Well, it's all over the place. So so unfortunately the compressor is not saving. It's pointless going any further. So with this, you can just put your leads in here, and they fit in nice, and let me show you. They fit in nice and snug so that you get a good reading every time. So we've got 1.6 there, and you know, I can jiggle this around, and we're still 1.6 because we're nice and solid. So if they did add up, and they don't, so it's pointless going any further. So if they did add up, I would take the my meter reading meter reading cord off of the end of this. It was plugged into the end of this with my meter leads on it. Here we go. There, it's still plugged in. Let me put that there. You plug it in here. Plug that in to your compressor analyzer. So in here is starting equipment that will start anything from 0.5 horsepower, even 3/8 horsepower of starts. I've checked it to 5 horsepower. So this will start anything. So I could plug it in and check it. Okay, hold on. Let me do it. Okay, so I got it switched on. 248 volts. Look at that. I'm in Perth. Voltage is high. So now all I would normally do is turn this on, and power would go down the extension cord down to the compressor. Now it is pointless because this compressor is buggered, so it's not going to work because our windings are way out. Let's turn it on and we'll show you. It's going to draw a shitload of power. See, look, 21 amps stuffed. That's it. Rob's compressor analyzer. And with the leads, quite often getting to the pins in some units, it's too hard. With the leads, with the extension cord, like this, you can check things out in comfort. Just push the plug on. I made up other ones as well, other cords. So I've got another one here which is insulated, and that goes on to the spade terminal compressors. So not like this. It goes on to the other type. Just one tip as well. When the the common's at the bottom on this compressor. When the common is at the top, a good rule of thumb is right run. Right is always on the run. Run is always on the right when the common pin's at the top. So if you common, which is most compressors, common pin at the top, right run. And when it's around the other way, it's actually exactly the same but inverted. So if you put your head upside down, right is still on the run. Run is still on the right. So anyway, that's how I remember it. And every compressor is the same. So if you remember that, common at the top, run on the right. If you like this, subscribe and give me a like. Thanks.